channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all 2 Amazon headband wigs that I found. I wanted to show y'all because I work like full-time and I get up at 5 in the morning, and sometimes I just don't have time to be doing my hair every single morning. So for this works out perfectly for me. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel about them once I try both of them on. Y'all, this first one, this is literally what it came in. Like, I'm not even lying. Like, just a little sticker on the front, and it came in this bag, and then it was still in a box, I believe. So I just take all of this out. So it came with this mesh cap, and it came with this cute headband. But y'all, before I finish showing y'all the wigs, I actually bought my own thing of headbands from Amazon because, like I said, I do work and I wanted to match my work outfits because we wear like business casual and stuff like that. So I wanted to have some headbands that I can wear to go with like whatever outfit I'm wearing. First thing that I'm noticing is like really like, y'all remember the wigs we used to get at Dollar Tree with the little braid, the little headband? This is what I think of seeing this. So I'm gonna brush it real quick because it has a few tangles in it, but I'm just gonna put this on. Ooh, y'all. Okay. And y'all, I'm gonna look this way real quick because I should have got a clip or something. Okay. So I'm just looking this way because I got a mirror next to the camera. Okay. Y'all, I am literally struggling. Okay. I actually really like the colors of this wig. I just wish it didn't look like so plasticky. So I saw some people saying you can use dry shampoo on synthetic wigs, so I'm gonna also get some of that, and I'll tell you about it all in the 1-month update that I plan on doing. So y'all, this is this wig. I'm gonna see if any of them match this shirt. I just got solid colors because, like I said, I wear a lot of like business casual outfits, so yeah, I feel like any one of those will match my little button-up blouses that I have. But y'all, it's cute. I love the colors. But I'm gonna figure out how to get this shine out before I wear it. But y'all, it's cute. It's cute. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show y'all the back too. This is what it looks like from the back. So yeah, I think it's cute, y'all. I really do. I love the colors, so I'm gonna try to figure something out with this wig, and I'm about to go ahead and try it on the second one. This next wig came in a bag as well, but they were more professional, to put it in a box as well, and it just says heat resistant synthetic wigs, high quality on the front, and then it has some directions on the back. So I did open it a little bit and kind of like peeked in here when I first got it, but this also comes with a headband, and I like this headband a lot. I really love it. Then it comes with a warranty, grooming, just this little card on the front, and then the wig itself. So y'all, I really like this one a lot better than the one I have on now. Really like this color, but the texture and just the length of this one, I'm liking it a little bit better. So y'all, I just put the second wig on, and I really love the length of it, and I love the waves in it. This does feel a lot better than the first wig that I showed you guys. And y'all know I like darker colors, so I really like this one because of that. This is what it looks like. It's really thick. Like, this wig is super thick. So this is the wig with the headband that it came with on. This is so cute. But let me show y'all the back real quick before I finish talking. So this is the back. It's pretty long. I think it was 26 inches, but I'm going to give y'all the exact details. and I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. But I really like this. Now I'm gonna tell you the details about each wig. So the first one, women 24 inch. It is synthetic. How it feels, I don't know if it's like heat resistant or not, but y'all know I'm gonna try it. And the color is HL6 /33/27, and this is $23.99. So the wig that I have on now is actually 26 inches. I got it in the color black, but it comes in a few other colors. If I end up liking this, I might get a few more just to have a variety in what I'm wearing. Even though I said it was thick, like it feels very lightweight because the hair is not directly sitting like on my face. So I feel like I can get away with wearing this. And then of course the headbands that I got, I will also link those down below just in case you would want the solid color ones that I got. Y'all, that's it for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to do something quick, simple, and easy. Both of these wigs were under $30. I think, especially this one, I think it's a great buy. But like I said, I'm gonna give y'all a 1 month update of me wearing both at the end of this video. I hope you guys found something that you can throw on, and I will see you guys in another video.